Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Car Days presents and brings another new video. Wow, let's check them out. Woo! First we will start with a very elegant, beautiful, shiny Lamborghini. Whoa, what a sports car. Wow, look at this, take a closer look. Nice. It looks like a Batmobile. Whoa. Wow. So speedy. So smooth. Sheesh. Whoa. Nice. I love this car. Whoa. Take a look. Take a look. It's amazing. Alright, Mr. Lamborghini. Okay. One down. Next comes, wow, container truck. Whoa, sheesh. Comes with a door, a back door. Whoa, foldable back door. Container truck, green shell, orange container. Wow. Woo. Next comes whoa. Whoa. Next comes wow. Yay, a cement truck. Sheesh. A yellow, orange and black color combination with a tray. Cement tray. Cement mixer. Whoa. Sheesh. Alright. Next comes wow. Blue bus. Whoa. Double decker Ben 10 Fiction blue bus. Wow. Next comes sheesh. Red double-decker bus. Whoa. City Center red double-decker bus. Wow. Whoa. Orange bus. Wow. Orange double-decker city center bus. Fish. Alright. Yay. Next is a cement mixer. Whoa. Orange canister. Yellow shell. Green base. Cement mixer. Whoa. Sheesh. Fuel truck. Wow. Orange canister. Yellow shell. Orange tire. Fuel truck. Whoa. Ha ha. Steady and set. Woo! Another cement mixer. Wow! New color variant. Vibrant color. Yellow shell. Blue canister. Whoa! And a white tray. Cement mixer. Comes with engine power. Woohoo! It goes in the back. Wow! Next comes, yay! Fire rescue truck. Whoa! Woo! Red fire rescue truck. Wow! And look at the engine power. Free! Yay! New red fire rescue truck. Whoa! Next is sheesh. Green Army cameo. Whoa! Green Army cameo. Car lorry. Whoa! Today we have 3 different types of car lorry. One goes go Army Rangers. Next different color dimension. White, green and paste. Another car lorry. Wow! Look at the engine power. Whoa! Invincible giant. Whoa! Next comes yay! Red green car lorry, engine power with a pump honk. Wow! Sheesh! Three snake-like vehicle, giant vehicle. Whoa! I hope I can fit them in my collection bowl. Can I? 1 down, 2 down, and 1 more to go. 3 somehow. Steady, steady, steady. Okay. Next comes another fire rescue truck. Wow! Orange fire rescue truck. Woo! Let's go. Let's save someone from arson. Wow! Customized and foldable fire rescue truck. Woo! Another one in the box. I hope it stays just like that. Whoa! The collection bowl is almost full. We are here with our last toy. Whoa! Blue, white and yellow cement mixer. Woo! Sheesh! Hey, hey! White canister, blue shell, yellow tray, cement mixer. Shoosh! Okay, that's all for today's video. See you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe our page. Bye bye.